Hello everyone, have a nice day, all of you. Today's in math class, we are discussing on the topic the Tigno table. In previous class, we discussed only separate values for Tigno ratios. Today, we discuss various type of problem, various type of trigonometric problems. First, we discuss the given question: if x is equal to 30 degree, then prove that cos x is equal to cos 60 plus cos 30 plus sin 60 sin 30. All over in the given problem, it's finally the value of x is equal to 30 degree. Then first we know that cos 60 and sin 30 value 1 by 2, and cos 30 sin 60 value equal root 3 by 2. Put values in the given problem. Then 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. After multiplying root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4, after all it calculate by 2 root 3 by 4. After cancelling, then we find cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. We know that in cos, it the value of cos 30. after all ये cos x is equal to cos 30. remove cos in both side, then we find x is equal to 30 degree. Second problem, sin 2x is equal to sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. Again the value will be same. We know that sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. In RHS portion, we put sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 1 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. After all, this sign a product sign. It's product, yani sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. After all, this is the sign of product. Then root 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. After LCM, we find 3 minus 1 upon 4. Then 2 upon 4 equal to 1 by 2. We find sin 2x is equal to 1 by 2. This is sin 2x is equal to, this is the value of sin 30. Then remove both sides sign, then 2x is equal to 30. After calculating 30 by 2, that means 15 degree. After all, the answer is x equal to 15. Again the problem number third, root 3 tan 2x is equal to sin 30 sin 45 cos 45 2 sin 90. root 3 tan 2x sin 30 plus sin 45 cos 45 plus 2 sin 90. We know that sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 2. That means sin 45 and cos 45, the value is 1 upon root 2, then plus 2 product 1. After calculating we find 6 upon 2 yani root 3. In specific uh, we find the concept root 3 tan 2, then tan 2x is equal to tan 60, 2x is equal to 60, then x 60 upon 2. Finally we find x is equal to 30 degree. Then last x is equal to 30 degree is the